I want to talk about leadership and how that works. And
Here?
I'm going to stand here, then you can hear me better.
Yes.
Cool. This looks like using slides, that's why I didn't think of it. We had a definition of leadership earlier in Christina's and Susan's presentation, taking responsibility for your world. And I like that a lot. The question is, how does that work? What do you do when you lead? Leadership occurs in so many contexts. We usually think of something like management, so somebody is leading in the front and people are following. There's other leadership styles, but the simplest thing is, how do you lead your life? And is it your life that you're leading? I came up the interesting thing recently that authority, which is something that is related to leadership, has most of the same letters as the word authorship. So the sense of being the author of your own story, leading your life, having authority in whatever context you are in, that is kind of the same thing as having responsibility for your world. So my translation for this is, when you are leading, you are consciously aware of what got you here and where you want to go. You have a sense of your own reality, you have a sense of your identity, and a sense of your intention. And as the more you increase this clarity, the more you create a space for people to show up in a way that is different from how they would show up without your space, without your clarity, without your leadership, and that might get the results that you want. So what I would invite you to reflect is, how do you show up to invite other people to show up differently in ways that are helpful to whatever you want to achieve, right? If you want to build a happy team, if you want to, I've heard so many interesting applications of leadership, right? Hiring people, getting them into our organization, making a team successful with a few decisive influences, and all of these beautiful things that happen because somebody has a clarity of where they are and what they want, and develops a way to share that so that other people can step in, participate, and step up and also lead. And that's just an insight I recently had when we were developing things for our leadership academy and book, and I wanted to share this piece of information. Thank you.